just got this wig today from Hair Bros. It's a hair replacement wig company, and this is a full French lace style hair wig with a natural breathable mesh here, and has a really, I think it has a natural hairline. So I'm really looking forward to trying this on and see how it looks. The cool thing about this type of wig is that you can choose from different hairstyles. So you just choose the hairstyle, and when you put it on, it's already styled. You don't have to go get a haircut or anything. But it's natural hair, and you can cut it if you want to. When you first get the wig, you have to put this tape on, this two-sided tape, around the border of the mesh here. And you do this by cutting the tape in short pieces and following the outline of the edge of yeah, what's it called? The mesh. Yeah. Following the edge of the mesh, you put tape all the way around and maybe one or two pieces in the middle here. Just finishing up this, putting the tape on the wig, and I need to, after I did the edges, now I need to maybe put one piece in the middle. So that's it. And now let's try it on. This is a hair repositioning positioning spray, so that the glue of the tape doesn't stick too much at first. It allows you to remove the wig and reposition it better. So now I'll put it on. To try to find your hairline for the front edge, you can look at 4 fingers above your eyebrows as a approximate position. Okay, so my hairline should be right about here. So I just kind of use my fingernails to make a little red mark right there. There. So now I can see the hairline's right there. Alright, so now I will put it on from that place. Yeah. Now first, just lightly place it and check the sides. I bought a wig, but I noticed that the quality of this wig is really good. The hairline's really natural, and it feels very light, feels very natural wearing it, and the mesh that they use for the base of the wig seems really breathable, so it doesn't feel hot at all. And I really like that I can just take a shower with this and not have to take the wig off to take a shower or something like that. I think it's really convenient that way. Also, can sleep with it too. So basically you can wear this wig for a couple weeks before you have to take it off and change the tape. If your hair has a special need as far as the wig goes, you may have to have a custom-made wig, in which case you have to get a template made. This template is basically made to show the hairline that you want to have the wig made for. And for example, this is the one that follows my hairline. And but if maybe I only needed this front section, that can also be done by a custom-made wig. Or if you have a special color requirement or texture, that also can be done through a custom wig. Yeah, so anyways, that's my experience with buying this wig from Hair Bros, and I hope it can help you in deciding whether you want to try a wig for yourself. If you're losing hair, you can try different things, chemical treatments. I don't know, they didn't work for me. You can wear a hat, you can shave, go for the shaved look, but here's another option.